I'll click on view assignments, and under this group the Fusion 360 license has been assigned, and you can assign other users as well, other products as well. For now I will leave it like this, and I will check whether I have received an email, and this is the email which you will get. Welcome to Autodesk. Welcome to your new Autodesk account. Welcome to Autodesk growing community. Your software admin A. Nikhil Chaitanya has invited you to Autodesk account, your one-stop shop for accessing Autodesk products. So this is the email which you will be getting. So I will click on create your account. So once you receive this email, you click on create your account and give your username properly and confirm the email address. And you create a strong password. So I have created my password. I'll click on create account. And this single account gives you access to all your Autodesk products. Like this, it will confirm your account. Click on done. And it is going to take you to this page. You have been added to team Nikhil Chaitanya VIIT Mech. Like this, view all products and services. Click on view all products and services. You click on products and services, and then simply click on download. Click on download for the Fusion 360, and it is going to tell you welcome to Autodesk website, and it is going to download the Fusion 360 client downloader. So this one you can right click and install. That is going to install Fusion 360, and once you install Fusion 360, you can access your Fusion 360 account. And I have given the Fusion 360 folder access to this particular folder, L38, CFD and FEA. You can see that this particular email ID has been given access with read and write and edit access. So if you go back to your email, you will receive one more email like this: join Fusion Hub Getam Fusion 360 team. A. Nikhil Chaitanya has invited you to join an Autodesk Fusion Hub. This is the Fusion Hub. That's how you get another email. You click on join hub. So when you click on join hub, it is going to take you to the Autodesk sign in page. Sign in with your account. So when you are signing in, it is going to ask you for the passcode. And once you sign in into the Fusion 360 Autodesk account, this is the welcome page, and this is the project folder which has been given access. and go to F1 car livery. Inside that there is fighter jets, and inside that you will find N38 CFD and FEA. And this is the particular file which we will be working on. So once you open Fusion, it will ask you to sign in. Click on sign in. And it will take you to the browser page like this. And once you sign into their account, it will say go to the product. Click on open identity manager. And it is going to take you to the Fusion 360 for the first time like this. Click on Untitled, click on the three dots, and here you will be able to see the various design folders like this. Double click on Feature Independent Auto Encoder, and then go to F1 car livery, and then go to fighter jets, and then click on N38 CFD and FEA, and here double click on this particular design file. And here you are able to see the design like this, which you can work on. So thank you for watching.